In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use patterns in Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll know how to turn on automatic pattern recognition, so your charts highlight key formations for you, saving time and helping you focus on what matters. Start by heading to the Charts tab. This is the main workspace where you view price action for any symbol. Make sure you're on the chart you want to analyze, and keep in mind that the platform will look for patterns within whatever time frame and data you have visible. Next, click the Patterns button located above the chart area. This opens the Select Patterns window, which is where all the detection options live. You'll see two main sections here: Candlestick and Classic. Think of these as two different toolkits for how patterns are defined and recognized. In the Candlestick tab, choose the candlestick formations you want to track, such as hammers, dojis, or engulfing patterns. These are short-term signals that come from the relationship between open, high, low, and close on individual candles or small groups of candles. Selecting just a few that match your trading plan can reduce visual clutter. If you're new, start simple. A doji can signal indecision, while a hammer may indicate potential reversal after a down move. Now move to the Classic tab and pick chart patterns like double tops, double bottoms, head and shoulders, or ascending triangles. These are broader structures that take shape over many bars and can hint at breakouts, trend continuations, or reversals. Remember, the platform looks for these shapes algorithmically, so giving it clear, relevant choices helps it surface cleaner matches. Before you apply your selections, fine-tune the detection using the pattern settings. Adjust length to define how many bars the platform should consider when forming a pattern. Longer lengths can smooth noise but may delay signals. Tweak breakout strength to control how convincing a breakout must be before the pattern is flagged. Higher thresholds filter out weak moves. If available, incorporate volume to require a certain participation level, which can add confidence to breakout patterns. Small adjustments here can dramatically change how many patterns you see. So think about the trade-off between sensitivity and precision. When you're satisfied, click Apply. Patterns that match your criteria will be highlighted directly on the chart, often with outlines, labels, or shaded regions marking the formation and its breakout point. Use these visual cues to confirm what you already see in price action. Patterns are a guide, not a guarantee, so pair them with your usual analysis and risk controls. With practice, you'll find a balanced setup that surfaces the right signals without overwhelming your screen.